Hello, welcome to this information of Excellency. I hope that you are well. In the last video, I have covered the B predicate functional interface. In this video, I will cover B function. Okay? So, B function is the same thing with function. The difference between them, the first one, take only one input argument, and the second, take two input argument. It is like this. So we have our interface B function. It contains two input arguments, T, U, and also the return type, R. Okay? So there are three arguments in total, but two input arguments. And the abstract method, it is the same thing as the function. So the abstract method is apply. Okay? Apply is like this. Apply with two input arguments, T and U. And also it returns R type. So for example, what you can do as an example, let's see. So the simple example. I want to get the multiplication between two integers. So simple like this. Okay? To do this, how I create my B function. Like this B function, I have two input arguments. So the first one is an integer, second integer, and the return type will be also integer. Okay? F equal, open parentheses, A and B, simple arrow, A multiply by B. Okay? After this, system out.println f dot apply 5 and 4, for example. Okay? Also, I will do another one. System out.println 6 and 10. So the first one is 20, the second is 60. Okay? Let's practice this directly to the computer to see the result. And always think, remember about the package. As I said in the previous video, the package is always the same, java.util.function. So let's go to the computer and execute this simple program, and we'll continue before another example. Let's go. So let's see how to create B function interface. So B function, created like this, B function. I'll give him my two input arguments, integer and integer and integer for the return type. Okay? Function or B function as you want. Here A and B, simple arrow, here just A multiplied by B. Okay, system out.println bf dot apply, let's make 4 and 5, and the second will be between 10 and 6, for example. Okay, 10 and 6. So here I got 20 and here 60. Okay, let's see this. As you can see, 20 and 60. So remember, it is always the same package, java.util.function. BiFunction contains two input arguments,
Okay, for me here it's integer. It also contains the return type. Same thing with function, normal function. And to call the upside method, it is apply with 2 input arguments, but it is the same method, apply as function.
Let's make second example for BiFunction. For example, I have a class person with only 2 attributes. So simple, 2 attributes. I don't want to make complicated example. So it contains the name and the age. Okay, I have constructor. And what I want to create or to provide for my BiFunction the name and the age, and it returns the person. Okay, the new person. It's very easy, I know, but I will show you to do this. So to achieve this, create BiFunction. I will give him the first parameter is string, the second is an integer for the age, and it return person, class person. Okay, BF equal open parenthesis name and age. Okay, simple arrow, new person with name and age. Okay, now I can add each time I will call this BiFunction, I added the person in the list, for example. So how to call him? How to call him? List.added member pf.apply, for example, Faisal 40. I continue, list.added bf.apply Azzuddin 42. List.added bf.apply Karim 40. Okay, so simple like this. So let's execute this simple code in the computer. I repeat, just to understand the concept. It is my goal. Okay, just to understand the concept, to be familiar, more comfortable with all this new feature in Java 8. So let's go.
So I will create my BiFunction, the second one. So let's remove this, I don't need them now. Let's do it, BiFunction. And here my first parameter is string for the name, the second is integer for the age, and it returns person. Okay, I will import my class person. Yeah, no, not yet. BF to equal. So here I have string, so name and age. Before continue, here is my class person. No, here is it. Simple arrow, and here new person with name and age. Okay, so simple like this. I will can create also a list of person, list, new array list of person. Okay, good. Let's import the list. After this, I will call the BiFunction list.added, and here bf2.apply, for example, Faisal, and here 40. Okay, let's continue with Azzuddin and Karim. Reda, let's make Reda, and here 34 and that's 10. I just make 3. Sorry my friends, I know there are a lot of, but I can put 1000. Alright, so 10, and here let's put it 42. And now I will just display this result, not with two strings, directly by two variable. So for person p for my list, I just make system.out.println name is here. Where is it? P dot name, and the second one is for the age. For the age is p dot age. Okay. So let's display the result. Let's see what we got here. Let's go. Run. Do you see? I have my object person with good values for each attribute. Okay?
So we have seen two simple examples how to implement BiFunction. In next video, inshallah, I will show you how to use BiConsumer. Okay? Practice, remember, practice. This is my word. Always when I repeat this, practice, please, practice. Okay? You will learn very quick when you practice directly. So, see you in next video, inshallah, for BiConsumer function interface. If you like this content at this moment, share it with your friends, like this video and previous also. Subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.